Hey everyone, welcome to Simply Just Dev, where we simplify programming for beginners. I'm John Alvin, and today we're diving into the basics of programming. So, what is programming? Whether you're completely new to programming or just want to understand what it's all about, this video will give you a quick introduction to the world of coding. So, let's break it down. At its core, programming is simply telling a computer what to do. Think of it as writing instructions or commands in a language the computer understands. It's like writing a recipe for a cake, except here the recipe is for the computer to follow. Every program, whether it's a website, a mobile application, or even a simple calculator, is just a collection of instructions written in code. These instructions are what we call algorithms. Every program has three main components: an input, a process, and an output. Let's break that down. Input. This is the data or information you provide to the program. It can be anything from typing a number into a calculator to uploading a photo on social media. Process. This is where the magic happens. The program takes your input, processes it using specific rules or algorithms, and performs calculations or logic to reach an outcome. Output. Finally, the program gives you the result. In this case, it could be the sum of the numbers you entered. So, programming is just figuring out how to create a process that turns input into useful output. To write these instructions, we use programming languages, just like we speak English or Spanish, to communicate with each other. There are many different programming languages out there, each with its own strengths. For example, Ruby, which we'll explore more in this series, is a beginner-friendly language that's great for building websites and applications. Then there's Python, which is fantastic for data science and machine learning. And JavaScript, which powers a lot of the interactivity you see on the websites. Now let's look at a quick example. Here's a simple Ruby program that prints out "Hello World." And that's it. This tiny piece of code tells the computer to display the text "Hello World" on the screen. It might seem small, but this is the foundation of how programming works. Simple instructions that leads to results. Now, why should you learn programming? Well, coding opens up a world of opportunities. You can build websites, create applications, automate tasks, or even make video games. Whether you want to start a career as a software developer, work on freelance projects, or just automate your daily tasks, programming is a powerful tool. And that's it for today's introduction to programming. In the next video, we'll get started with installing Ruby on your computer so you can begin coding along with me. If you're excited to learn about programming, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and let me know in the comment on what you would like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.